Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Roxy. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see by the thumbnail and this video here, I'm going to be styling my hair or putting on a lace frontal bob unit that was sent to me from HURELA Hair. Now, the unit they sent to me is a 13x4 lace frontal, and they also sent it to me in a 12-inch. I'm gonna leave all the details to this unit in the description box below for you guys to check it out. Now, you guys know now, and looking at the other videos, that I'm gonna be visiting the salon more often to get my wigs installed, and my wig is being installed by Stush from Stush Creations. So as you guys can see, I'm getting a bald cap, and she is using her Stush Creations hair glue to do that. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've been gluing down these wigs for the past month. I'm definitely going to need to give my hair a break soon. As most of you guys know, I normally wear my hair in a short pixie cut. However, I've been doing a lot of wigs lately, especially during the summer. And I'm also looking forward to doing other styles, you know, get more creative with my hair. I love to try new things. Now, this unit here was customized by Stush. She plucked the knots to the gods. She bleached the knots, and she also tinted it using her Stush Creations lace tint in the color Truffle, I believe. That's the color that she uses for me. When I get my hair installed, I find that it lasts longer. It looks a lot better, of course. And the process is a lot faster than if I was to do it myself. Now, we did opt for a middle part with this unit because the part was a lot deeper in the middle as opposed to the sides. The sides were a little bit not as deep. The next time I do a bob, I definitely want to try a side part. I feel like side parts give you a nice soft look, a nice soft feel. So I'm going to try that the next time. As you guys can see, Stush is taking her time and pressing out this unit so that it's nice and flat. She is using her Stush Creations wax stick in combination with the hot combs. If you guys don't know, but this method is the perfect way to get your hair nice and flat and molded and melted. And I'm also considering coloring my wigs jet black when I get them from the companies. Usually it's giving me like usually I get like a natural color, like a 1B or number 2. But I really feel like coloring it jet black would give it like a nice rich look and give it like a nice pop. This is something that I do with my hair after I relax it. I usually rinse my hair jet black. I really think that would step it up a notch. So now we're just taking off the lace. She's using an eyebrow razor to take off the lace, but I'm just looking at the melt so far and it looks so good. I don't think I would be able to achieve this on my own, which is why I love going to get my hair done now. It just looks so good. This is maybe my second or third time working with HURELA Hair. I love going back and working with companies that give me quality units. I mean, why not? You get the consistency, and I get to share with you guys the brands that are really good. For this unit, we're opting for some baby hairs. I do love the no baby hair look sometimes, and sometimes I find that it is necessary for some wigs. And for this one, I was definitely needing some baby hairs. I usually just let her do her thing when it comes to my baby hairs. I trust that she'll put them in the right spot. If I find that I want some more, I'll just tell her to put some more. But I usually let her go with the flow when it comes to my baby hairs. Now, the wig did come in a 12-inch. However, we did cut it down to give it a nice blunt look, give it like a nice style, something more precise and clean. So I would say we took about 1.5 inches to 2 inches off of this unit to get the look, to get the final look. And she just used her clippers and she cleaned it up with her shears. It didn't take any time at all. Maybe it probably took less than 3 minutes to get this cut. Then we went and just straightened everything out. And I'm sure she pressed out the top just to make sure that it was nice and flat. Once that melt band comes off, everything is just nice and laid and flat. It does look a little bit firm right now, but in the end, she does go in and soften out the baby hairs using like a fine-tooth comb to loosen it up, take out the stiffness, and help it look more fluffy and realistic. Guys, I really love this finished look. It looked so classy and it looked really innocent. I felt really cute. It made me want to go and get my nails done and get my toes done. Maybe go to the mall, buy something cute and treat myself. I felt really nice and complete. I felt really mature, like I had all my stuff together with this bob. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you want to purchase a bob like this, don't forget to check out HURELA Hair. I've left all the details to this unit in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.